Hello and welcome to my video on why I chose a GoPro Hero 7 and what I think about it. So yes, I recently bought this, a GoPro Hero 7 Black. I had looked at loads of different action cameras. I was looking for a camera that I could use in water, underwater, and also a camera that would work in addition with the camera I already vlog on. And I did a lot of research and I chose the GoPro Hero 7 Black because you can use it in the water. It got a lot of good reviews. The quality of the video was absolutely brilliant. The stabilisation on the GoPro Hero 7 is absolutely fantastic. I had looked at a lot of videos online and really liked what I was seeing. It does hyper smooth and it's got lots of time-lapse features, which I also found very attractive and an interesting feature to use. And I thought it would be perfect to work alongside the camera that I already have. My first impressions, I absolutely love it. I think it's a great camera. It's so small, it fits perfectly. I've got a Manfroto Pixie. I bought that with the camera. And it also works as a small tripod, and it's a great grip when you're using the camera. What I'll do is I'll play behind me some videos that I've already taken with this, just to give you an idea of the sort of things I've been playing about with. I am into photography and things, so I do like to play about with cameras and the likes. I have been super impressed with the hyper modes. Walking about, doing time lapses and that sort of thing has been absolutely fantastic. The only thing I would say that I am disappointed about is the battery doesn't last a massive amount of time, in my opinion. It runs out. I've charged it a couple of times and let it sit for a day or two and not used it, and the battery has gone. And I don't know whether it's just I've left the camera on by accident. But that's been slightly disappointing. I am going to get other batteries before I go on a trip because obviously battery is a really important thing. It's quite easy to use, a little bit fiddly because it's so different to anything else I've used before, but the app that I've put on my phone lets me see what you can see the camera is seeing and control the camera, which is quite handy if you want to be able to view the image that's being recorded. I love the fact that you can beam the footage from the GoPro to your phone while you're out and about. That's really brilliant. And I love that you can take a still from video that you've shot. So if you've shot a short video and there's a number of people in the footage, you can take the frame that looks best. The quality is just absolutely brilliant. It's blown me away for such a small camera. It's incredible. It is a little bit fiddly sometimes in terms of settings, and I've accidentally hit it onto a different setting when I've not meant to. But again, I think that's just getting used to the camera and what it can do and the right settings. And I would say that if you're ever thinking of getting a GoPro to go, for example, on a trip, definitely get it a while before you go so you learn how to use it properly, because I'm still learning. And I think that had I got it and gone straight away on a trip, you might not have got the best out of the camera because you weren't entirely sure of how it worked or what the right setting is and that sort of thing. I am absolutely delighted with my GoPro Hero 7 Black. I am so glad I got it, and I would definitely recommend it. I think it would be a great camera for walking around a theme park because of the stabilisation. And I probably will do a little bit of vlogging on it. I already have. I've recorded a couple of videos on it already. I really like it. The one thing that I was most concerned about the GoPro was the audio quality, because I had watched a lot of vlogs and videos of people saying that the audio on these GoPros is not as good. I found the audio on this is great compared to examples of things I've seen online. However, I think it's because it's not in a casing like the other GoPros were that people were referring to, and I think that makes a huge difference. And I think yes, you absolutely could vlog on it, and you can buy accessories and and microphones and the likes, which maybe one day I will look into. At the moment I'm not going to. I'm going to get a pack on Amazon which comes with different accessories and all that sort of stuff, so that I can use the camera in lots of different situations and test it out some more. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked this video, please give me the thumbs up. Please leave a comment, I love to hear from you. And if you haven't already, then I would absolutely love it if you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button so you get new notifications of any new videos that I've uploaded. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye!